This is me, Shelley, the artist behind Paint with Shell. I love sharing my passion and skills with others, and I believe that anyone can paint if they're shown how. Looking at a completed artwork, you might feel overwhelmed or that it's just too hard for you. But when you're guided through the whole process and it's broken down into smaller steps, it becomes so much easier, and you'll walk away from my class with not only a sense of achievement, but your very own masterpiece. The difference between Paint with Shell and all the other paint and sip franchises around is that I'm not a franchise. I'm just Shell, and I operate my business on my own. My main point of difference is that I pre-draw outlines on all my canvases so you don't have the added stress of doing it yourself. This means you can sit down and get painting straight away with the hardest part already done for you. I genuinely care about teaching art and the people I'm teaching art to. I'll stay back an hour if someone needs more time to finish. If you're struggling, I'm more than happy to spend some extra time with you, and I never cancel a class due to low numbers. And if I have one person booked in, the class goes ahead, because you never know what kind of impact just 2 hours of your time will have on someone. So whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced artist, I'd love to see you at my next class. For more information or to book into one of my upcoming classes, visit www.paintwithshell.com.au. You can paint. Let me show you how.